Alright, so this is sensor number 1. It's right at the support bracket in the middle of passenger side CV axle. It's the same noise as before. Let's listen to number 2. Number 2, that's the diff noise, but it's normal. Nothing weird. Let's listen to number 3. That's the bottom of the differential. It's kind of a normal diff noise. Switch back to number 1 again. So basically the noise is coming from the CV axle, from the bracket. Here's my little cheat sheet again. So number 1 was the support bracket CV axle, and I hope you can see it. Alright, that's it.